Understanding arrays and linked lists.
Arrays and linked lists are two common ways to store groups of data in programming. Knowing their differences helps you choose the best one for your needs. Arrays are like a row of boxes, while linked lists are like a chain of links. Let's explore how they work and when to use each one.
How arrays work.
An array stores items in a fixed size, continuous block of memory. Each item can be quickly accessed by its index, making reading or updating values very fast. However, arrays can't easily change their size, and adding or removing items can be slow because it often requires shifting other elements.
How linked lists work.
A linked list is made of nodes, each holding data and a reference to the next node. Linked lists can easily grow or shrink because you just update links between nodes. Unlike arrays, you can insert or remove items anywhere without shifting others. But finding a specific item is slower because you must follow the links one by one.
Pros and cons of arrays.
Arrays offer fast access to any element and work well when the number of items is fixed or changes rarely. Cons: inserting or deleting items is slow. Their size is usually fixed, making them less flexible if the number of items changes often.
Pros and cons of linked lists.
The pros. Linked lists are flexible with size and make adding or removing items anywhere easy. They are ideal when you expect changes in the number of elements. Cons: they use more memory and are slower at finding or accessing items by position, since you need to start at the beginning each time.
Choosing the right structure.
Use arrays when you need fast access to elements and know the size ahead of time. Choose linked lists when your data changes frequently or you need to insert and delete elements often. By understanding their strengths and weaknesses, you can pick the right structure for your project.